Hello, a very good evening. Let's continue with Heron's formula. And we are doing today topic number 2, that is applications of Heron's formula in finding the area of quad. Now we all know a quad has 4 sides. Okay. So if we make a partition, like we join the opposite vertices, then we find there are 2 triangles in a quad, and therefore if we will find the area of one triangle and second triangle by applying Heron's formula, and then we add both the areas, then we will find out the area of a quad. It is so simple, only we need to apply Heron's formula over there. Let's start with the questions. First question is, find the area of a quad ABCD in which AB is 5, BC is 4, CD is 4, DA is 5 and AC is 7 centimeter. We need to find its area. So let's consider triangle ADC or ABC, whatever triangle you need to consider. In triangle ADC, its perimeter is equal to 5 plus 4 plus 7. It would be 5, 4, 9, 9, 7, 16. Therefore, its semi-perimeter would be 8 centimeter. Half of 16 is 8. Now, by applying Heron's formula, area of triangle ADC is equal to S bracket S minus A bracket close bracket S minus B bracket close bracket open S minus C. S is your 8. 8 minus A is 5. 3. B is 4. 8 minus 4 4 and C is 7. 8 minus 7 1. Now let's make the terms common. 4 into 2 into 3 into 4. 1 4 will get common. So 4 under root 6 centimeter square. I haven't find out the value of root 6. Therefore, you also need not to find it. Now we see the adjacent sides are equal and the common is 7. So area of ADC is equal to area of ABC. Adding both the areas of triangle, is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC is equal to 8 root 6 centimeter square. So we are done with our first question. It is very simple, no complications, only a need of multiplication and addition. That's it. Proceeding to the second question. The side of a quad ABCD are 6, 8, 12 and 14. And the angle between the first two sides is a right angle. Find its area. First of all, let us draw figure. First two side matlab AB and BC. It gives a right angle. On remaining two side का हमें angle नहीं पता, so we can take any angle. A, B, C and D. AB and BC are two adjacent sides having a right angle between them, and AB is 6, BC is 8, CD is 12 and AD is 14 centimeter. We need to find out the area of quadrilateral. So first of all, let us join AC. By joining AC and applying Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC, what we get? AC is a hypotenuse. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB is 6, 6 is 36, 8 8 the 64. It would be 100. AC square is equal to 100. Therefore, AC is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, AC is 10 centimeter. So first of all, we will just simply find out the area of triangle ABC, that is half base into height. No need to apply Heron's formula over there. If you wanted to apply, then you can, but I suggest to make it very simple, as it we have given with base and height. Area of triangle ABC is half into base into height, and here base is 8 and height is 6. 24 centimeter square. So we are done with the first part of this question. We have the half area quad is 24 centimeter square, and we will find the remaining area of ADC. In triangle ADC, AC is 10, AD is 14 and CD is 12. So perimeter निकाल लेते हैं इसका हम. 10 plus 14 24, 24 plus 12, 24 plus 12 36 centimeter. So therefore its S would be 18 centimeter, and simply we will apply Heron's formula over there. मैं पूरा फॉर्मूला नहीं लिख रही हूँ, सिंपल मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर रही हूँ. S इंटू S माइनस ए था 10, 8, 18 माइनस 14, 4, 18 माइनस 12, 6. कंफ्यूज मत होना, मैंने फॉर्मूला इसमें नहीं लिखा है टू मेक इट सिंपल और टू रिड्यूस द वीडियो साइज. 18 के फैक्टर्स 3 इंटू 3 इंटू 2 8K, 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 4K, 2 into 2 6K, 2 into 3. Now just make out the common terms. 3 2 2 2. So 3 बचेगा. 3 to the 6 to the 12 to the 24. It would be 24 root 3 centimeter square. बड़ी तेज अंधेरी आ रही है. Now adding both the area. आजा उधर खेलते हैं, आजा आजा जश्न चले गए. ओए हाय, आजा आजा. Area of triangle ABC 24 centimeter square. Okay, so in this case we will just find out the whole area, because इन दोनों को हम ऐसे नहीं as it is नहीं छोड़ेंगे. तो वैल्यू ऑफ रूट 3 होती है 1.71. तो इसको सॉल्व करके हमारे पास आ जाएगा 58.79. तो टोटल आपका एरिया आ जाएगा 82.79. ठीक है, सो with this respect we can find out the whole question. Now proceeding towards the third question. Now in this question, in the figure, ABCD is a rectangle of dimensions 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter, and E and F are the midpoint of side AB and BC. Find the area of the shaded region. It means we need to find the area of only this region. Very simple. First of all, just find out the area of rectangle, that is length into breadth, and then find out the area of this triangle, then minus कर दो, you can get the area of shaded region. Simple question है, but I will just tell you. अब देखो जो triangle है, अब AB का था 6, तो EB कितना हो जाएगा 3, CB था 4, तो FB कितना हो जाएगा 2. लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ, लेंथ आपकी थी 6, ब्रेथ थी आपकी 4, 24 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। Area of triangle EBF is equal to simple half base into height. No need to apply Heron's formula over there. क्योंकि राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है ना, बेस भी है हाइट भी है। हिरॉन्स फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना है आप कर सकते हो, बट मैंने बहुत ही सिंपल कर दिया इसको ना अप्लाई करके। बेस इज 3 एंड हाइट इज 2, 2 से 2 कट, तो एरिया कितना आया आपका 3 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। नाउ एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल एबीसीडी था आपका 24 माइनस 3, hence area of shaded region is equal to 21 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। अगर हम इसमें अप्लाई करते हिरॉन्स फॉर्मूला उससे भी आ जाता, उससे आपको क्या करना था पाइथागोरस थ्योरम लगानी थी, बट ट्राई करना है कि हमको क्वेश्चन को शॉर्ट और कॉम्पैक्ट बनाना है। ठीक है, जो भी न्यूमेरिकल आपके मैथ्स में होंगे उसको शॉर्ट बनाना है। ये देखिए आपको हिरॉन्स फार्मूला चैप्टर है तो अपने हर एक क्वेश्चन में हिरॉन्स फार्मूला ही लगाना है। नो, सिंपल था, राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल था तो हाफ बेस इनटू हाइट हम लगा सकते हैं, हिरॉन्स भी लगा सकते हैं, बट उससे थोड़ा लंबा चल जाता। एंड क्वेश्चंस जब हमारे एग्जाम्स होते हैं तब उसमें हमको ट्राई करना चाहिए हम क्वेश्चन को शॉर्ट मेथड से सॉल्व करें। नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन,